Hello grade 1, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your winters. Okay, today we will start our topic fraction that we last time did in the class. So open up page number 84 of your book. Here our objectives on this page are we will learn about whole circle and quarter of the circle. So let's start the lecture. So see, as you can see on the board, here we have a first circle. This circle is one whole circle and whole is shaded, colored. सारा circle जो है वो shaded है. Okay, and now the next circle, now I divided it into two parts. Both parts, first part is called half and the other part is also called half, as we learned in the previous lecture. Okay, today we will learn about the quarter part of 4 or whole circle. So this is the one whole circle and we divided the second circle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now each part is called 1 by 4. 1 by 4 mean 1 quarter, and you can say it one part out of 4 equal parts. So this whole circle we can say it one whole. This is one whole. Okay, and this is called 1 quarter. All parts are same. Now I will tell you, in the book you have to do page 84. In your book you have to color the 1 quarter of each picture. Okay, as you can see. Okay, open up page number 84 of your textbook. In this page, in the point 3a, you have to color 1 quarter of each picture, as you can see in the picture. So on page 84, here you can see a circle. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Now they are saying color 1 quarter of each picture. So let's see, of the first picture we will color only one part of the circle. So now the fraction will be 1 by 4. Again, now see the next picture. In the next picture, this is again divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is equal to each other, and again we will shade one part of this square as we have been told in the first instruction. So we will shade it and we will write again here 1 by 4. This is 1 quarter. We shaded 1 quarter of this square. Same, you have to shade the one part of this square and this picture and all the pictures on this page. Grade 1, now open up page 85 of your textbook. We will shade here again 3 quarter of a circle. 3 quarter mean, as you can see in the picture, here we have shaded 1, 2, 3 parts. 3 parts of a circle are shaded. So the fraction will be 3 by 4. It means this circle has been divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction will be 3 by 4. Shaded parts of a circle are 3 by 4, which means 3 out of 4 parts are shaded. So now you have to do again the first picture, as we have been told that color 3 by 4 of each picture. So you have to shade this circle as you are told above, that 3 out of 4 you have to shade, and same in the next picture and the all pictures you have to shade. Okay, thank you.